everyone, welcome back to Holiday Kids Cook, and today we're celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday. It's on March 2nd, it's coming up, and we are going to make a special treat in celebration of Dr. Seuss. Now I chose a treat from the book The Lorax, the Truffula tree, and I will show you what they look like. I'm going to take my pot out of the way there, and I'm going to pull those up for you. Now you can read any of Dr. Seuss's books and cook anything you'd like, green eggs and ham if you wish, but I thought these were really cool, and all you need to make them is, I'm going to put my book down, some Trix Cereal, some marshmallows, and just a little bit of butter. And that's it. It's kind of like marshmallow crispy treats, but instead we make them into Truffula trees. Okay? And oh, one more thing you do need is a popsicle stick to put to form the balls and to make it into the tree. So I am going to start my recipe by measuring 2 cups of marshmallows, mini marshmallows. They melt the quickest. That's 1, 2, just 2 cups, that's it. Now this should make 4 to 5 Truffula trees. You can double the recipe if you want to make more for a group. And you'll just need 1 tablespoon of butter. Now, this is going to have to go on the stove until it melts, and then we add the Trix Cereal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you on pause, and I'm going to come back after my marshmallows are melted, and we're going to mix it up, and we're going to form the balls, and we're going to make our beautiful trees. See you back in a few. Okay, so here we are back with the melted marshmallow and butter, and I am going to dump it in this nice clear bowl so we can keep an eye on what we have. All right, ooh, that's looks just great. There we go. All right, so now what's next? We're gonna add the Trix Cereal. So we're gonna add a little bit over 2 cups because I noticed last time I made this that I needed a little bit more to make it so I could form the balls. Now I got the Trolls Trix mix because they're all balls, but they also have added marshmallows in them. So that adds a little bit extra sweetness. This is not something you want to have every day, just in celebration of Read Across America and Dr. Seuss's birthday. So, all over the country, people read on Dr. Seuss's birthday. And I guess they might have special treats too. So I put 2 cups in with a little bit extra. I'm going to add a little bit more, just because it looks super sticky. So you could also, if I didn't mention this, use Trix Cereal if you don't want it to be super sweet. It'd be more like a marshmallow crispy treat, but a Trix crispy treat in the shape of a ball. Okay, another important thing to remember is that you will need to butter your hands when you make your Trufulla trees. I am going to take a little piece of butter over here and kind of rub it all over my hands because I tried forming these without putting butter on my hands and it was so sticky it was impossible. You might want to let it cool down a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit more just to make it more easier to work with. As you can see, it's very sticky. So I'm going to add a little bit more butter to my hands. And maybe just a little bit more of so maybe 2.5 cups of the Trix Cereal. And I am going to rub this on my hands again, make sure I have enough. And then I am going to form the balls like this. I have a visitor coming to look at my Truffula trees. So you're going to form the balls like that and cool them down on a cookie sheet. like so. And it should take approximately 5 minutes to get hard. And then you'll have these beautiful Trufulla trees to celebrate Dr. Seuss's birthday. And I hope that you try this recipe at home to celebrate and Read Across America Day. You don't have to do it on the 2nd of March, but if you could, that would be great. It's also a shout out to my son, who's also born on March 2nd. And I hope that you keep on reading, keep calm and read on, and enjoy a Dr. Seuss book on Read Across America Day. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you for our next Holiday Kids Cook.